Hello and welcome. I am Tahir and today in this video I am going to show you how you can record screen on Android very easily. And you can also record without app, and you also have option to record internal audio, but it depends on your device. For example, I am using Oppo F5, which is a almost 3 years old device, and it is using an older version of Color OS, so it does not offer internal screen recording. But the latest version of Color OS 7 offers internal screen recording option, so you don't need to install any application. So, but the problem with internal screen recording is that you don't have a lot of features. They are limited. But instead of using internal screen recording applications, you can use free screen recording applications such as Screen Recorder, No Ads by Kimchi 929. It is a completely free video screen recording application and it offers a lot of tools. I have been using this application for a long time and it offers a lot of options and customization. So let's open this application, and I'm also able to record internal audio with this application. So let's go to settings first. You can see you have option to record screen. You can also take screenshots. Then we have settings option, and a video trimmer is also available. Let's go to settings option, and now here you can see we have time delay before screen recording, so you can change it. I have set it to 15 seconds, but you can choose whatever you like. Then we also have magic button option. So here you can see a quick magic button. So with this you can easily pause your recording, you can draw on screen, and it offers a lot of tools as well. You can also see this magic button. Here we have another magic button which also offers some options. So you can draw on screen, you can pause your recording, you can stop recording, or you can also enable camera if you want to record yourself. So let's go back. Here you can see some simple magic button settings. You can use two magic buttons. This is the first one and this is the second one. We have two magic buttons. You can also lock position. Then we have opacity, so I have set it to 23, but you can do whatever you like. And we have our stop options, so you can stop recording on screen off. Just press power button to stop screen recording. You can stop on notifications. Here we have options, or you can just simply shake your device to stop your screen recording. Now you can see video settings. We have file prefix, file format, and resolution. Resolution is best option here. So here you can see it offers a lot of options. Personally, I prefer 1920 by 1080 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So it adds a solid black color to blank area because I'm recording my screen on Android, so you can see it very easily. So you can also set custom settings if you will use less screen this 1280 by 720, then video size will be less. You can also record 4K screen recording. You can see we have a lot of options here, but it depends on your device. Next we have orientation and some other settings. You can also record audio, and you can see now I'm recording my audio with this feature. And then we have floating toolbox, banner setting. This is my banner. You can see I am using my channel name as watermark. You can also add a logo image if you prefer. For banner text, you can see we have lock position options. You can change text size and color of your text, so it is really customizable. Now if you want to record internal audio with this application, it's simple and easy. Let me show you how I do it. To record internal audio, I simply play audio or video file over speaker, and then it will record internal audio as well. So I hope now you can also listen internal audio of my device. So this is how you can easily record internal audio as well. Thank you very much for watching this video.